Taking you through Prime Minister Modi's schedule today as we saw him moving in Bihar right after Operation Sindoor. He's declared that Operation Sindoor is not over. It's India's swift and decisive military response has destroyed terrorist hideouts and air bases in Pakistan, delivering what he called punishment beyond imagination for the recent Pahalgam terror attacks. Speaking at a rally in Bihar's Karakat, the Prime Minister reminded people that he had promised retribution from the same soil after April 22nd attacks in which 26 civilians were killed. Now returning to Bihar, he said that promise has been fulfilled. Prime Minister Modi said several air bases in Pakistan used for launching terrorist infiltration were reduced to dust in minutes by Indian forces. This is the new India, he says. Pakistan has seen the power of our Sindoor. Prime Minister Modi, who spoke extensively there as he met with the family of Shubham as well. Family, as through Kanpur MP Ramesh Avasthi had written to the Prime Minister expressing gratitude for Operation Sindoor. He in fact met with the family of the Pahalgam attack victim, Shubham Dwivedi's family, promising him that this Operation Sindoor is continuing. It hasn't ended, basically to say that justice will be brought. Remember, those terrorists who carried out the attacks have still not been found.
पहलगाम में जम्मू कश्मीर में आतंकी हमला हुआ था। हमारे कितने निर्दोष नागरिक मारे गए। इस जघन्य आतंकी हमले के बाद एक दिन के बाद मैं बिहार आया था और मैंने बिहार की धरती से देश को वादा किया था, वचन दिया था। बिहार की धरती पर आंख में आंख मिलाकर हमने कह दिया था, आतंक के आकाओं के ठिकानों को मिट्टी में मिला दिया जाएगा। आज जब मैं बिहार आया हूं तो अपने वचन पूरा करने के बाद आया हूं।